In America today, we tend to cling to this concept that in your 20s, you should be finding yourself. You should be traveling the world, shooting the shit, making mistakes, and all that crap. I firmly disagree with that concept. In your 20s, you're going to have very few, if any, real responsibilities. You're going to have a very low burn rate. And it's going to be the best time in your life to meet other people who are going to push you to be the best. So if you don't use that time wisely, you're really pissing it down the toilet. Here's my message for everyone who's in their 20s. Use this time to work hard. Really hard. And the people in your life that are going to give you shit for not hanging out, not drinking, not partying, not doing stupid stuff, they're going to be the same people who are going to hit you up in a few years from now looking for a job and hoping to work for you. I speak from experience.